Okay, I am going to show you guys how to, let me move this a little bit, how to find out what your personal volume is for the K group time periods, or if you're wanting to know what you need to keep from going inactive. So go to TOT and go to your virtual office. Oh, sorry, I had mine open from last night. I gotta log back in. Okay, and you're going to click reports up here, and then downline, current downline report. Sorry, reports, and then current downline. Mine is going to look a little different from your guys's once we get in there. Yours is going to look just like this. You can kind of look around here a little bit. It shows January 2019 here. You have different ways of sorting and all kinds of stuff down here. Now, you don't need to mess with any of this stuff for this type of reporting. There's two options here. There's list view and team view. You can put yours in list view and it will show you everybody on your team. Because I have directors under me and it will bring up all of my team plus all of their teams if I put it on list view, I'm going to leave mine on team view. And then all you need to do, so our K group period is running from August of 2018 through February of 2019. So if you want to find out where you are sitting with personal volume for those months, you can hold the control button and highlight the months that you want to look at. Okay, so we are highlighting August through January. And then you go up here and click here. Okay, so then it's going to show these are the three teams I have, mine plus the two directors. So I'm just going to expand mine. And this PV is going to show you, like Renee, I'm going to use you as an example because you're first on the list. So I have Renee Hart, who has $18,746.12. That's her personal volume, all the sales that she has entered from August until today in January. Okay, so that is all you have to do. And if you want to change it and you want to just go back and say, oh, what did I have in August? You just click on the filtered results up here, modify filter, and it'll take you back to this screen, and then you can just click on August and run the report. Now, let me do something real quick. Okay, so, nope. Bear with me a minute here. I'm just going to pull mine up and I want to show you another way you can do it. Because mine looks different, I want to show you another way you can do it. So if you don't have anybody on your team and it's just you, you can I hope you guys can hear me. Anyway, you can just look at you. So click here. It's just got me brought up. I have to move my screen a little bit. And you see under tools here, this little button, click on that. And then click over here on the blue, green, and red graph, and it's going to bring up this window. And then in this drop-down box over here, click on it, go all the way to the bottom, and click Personal Volume History. If you click on that, it is going to show you, oh, I closed it. It is going to show you your personal volume history for like the entire time you've been a consultant. So I could go all the way back the last 9.5 years. Okay. So, and this is another cool thing. Like you can go all the way back to when you first started and you can see your personal volume history. Mine's $292,746.47. That's how much I have sold since I started selling 31. So, another thing you could do if you wanted is you can go here and look, okay, and then you can just add up your August, September, October, November, December PV to see where you would be. This is where I go as well. like to add up, if I wanted to find out if I was going to be inactive, go here and you look at your last 3 months. So you would, if you want to find out if you're going to go inactive in January, you're going to look at November, December, and January, and you're going to add your total for these 3 months. And if that total is less than $200, the difference is what you need. So if you have $150 entered, you still need to enter $50 before the end of January. Okay, so I hope that kind of helps. If it doesn't, let me know, and maybe we can get on one-on-one and I can show you what we need to do to get you what you're looking for. Okay?